Okay, send me where you don't do reach. That's why when they call my brother, you know they answer call. You know they pick up.
Please kindly stay to the end of this video so that you understand why it is important for you to buy property through using a professional real estate agent or a realtor. You know, this video is not for to mock the lady. It's not to show you that okay that he was doing something wrong, but rather is to let you know that you learn from other people's experience, so you don't fall into the same victim of thinking that buying property, especially property through your family, is safer. No. So please stay to the end of this video, listen and watch to the end to hear a story so I can learn from it. At the end of this video, I'm going to give you reasons why I think buying property through an agent, a professional realtor right here in Lagos or any place you're buying property from, is the best instead of buying through your family.
I can't tell this thing to my girlfriend, my close friend here. So now I can't say, as far as say your place not far from my village, make her papa go meet my brother. He buy the phone finish, he never reach a week. Okay, send me where you don't do reach. He said the phone don't fall for water. That's why Pikete drop the phone for water. Okay, how much for new phone again? He said the phone will be say costing on 45,000. Okay. I still said the 45,000 naira. Okay, send me where you don't do reach. That's why when they call my brother, you know they answer call. You know they pick up. So I can't tell this thing to my girlfriend, my close friend here. So now I can't say, as far as say your place not far from my village, make her papa go meet my brother. So I can't say her papa. Papa reach there. He say my brother, where you for meet my brother and where they for the drink. Even gather friends for there. So the man called it like, come show me your sister land. Where she for they do something. My brother said, now so I can't take care of another person. Now whether he I can't say come. Say make it come they help and they do something. Blah blah blah. And I say okay, fine. I tried to call my brother since that day. You know, pick my call. I called my mom. Where my brother? You know, pick. For like this was November here. November here. Not be the first time we be saying family. They treat me up. I don't to be here. Like today. I just sit down. I don't feel bear am again. I don't feel bear am again because it's in there hurts my feelings. Later, my brother not drop him. Okay, fine. Okay, as far as be say you don't do, I don't forget the money when be say you chop. Where you do reach, even foundation. When my brother tell me say foundation at 700,000 naira. I send my brother the money. Okay, you not still do the foundation where you say you don't do rich, you don't even do rich there. Common foundation when be say you still like say na 700,000 naira, you not fit do one. Okay, give me the paper of the land. He said na 100 by 100 now you buy. Okay, give me the papers. Go give my mom the papers. He not still give. He say na so I dey owe her money. Like which money me when they feed you? Which money I call they owe you? He call they tell people that one so that make people not to enter the case. But later I can't try to involve the police. So with the police now, you can't try manage bring paper come outside. Paper where you bring My brother, he don't quick. I'm say half of the land for that one. I still forget. He said half of the land. Give me the remaining. Haters, I don't say that this one I like, but there's time for everything, you get. Even you yourself, you dey cry. So, my brother, he managed bring the paper. I cry, but I not still to cry. I just still leave on. I just know say, even if I want to do something, money not be my problem. I just need person will be say it will back me up. Not just that one. I just been it before. So inside this journal, I can't reason now. Make I buy tickets. Make I take go back home. Make I just go visit home. As I be say, I don't try so many times. Make them say do something for me. They not do anything for me. I don't see anything where we say they do. Make I try. Make I just go visit my parents. You get so see their face. Make I come back. I buy tickets finish. So just today, I can't call my sister. I feel call my sister. My sister feel say, hey, no come, no do this one. And so they say, no come. I don't know say they get reasons. So if you say therefore they say make I not come. So today now, I can't call the other of my sister. That one say they say if I not do something, I not build house finish. Say make I not come. I dey try to build house to make sure una dey good place. Even the apartments where we say everybody dey, na me dey support. Na me dey back una up. Make una see help me do something. Nobody dey back me up. Nobody dey help me. But now I say I dey come back home. Upon all the fuck up where we say una fuck me up. I still manage to forgive. Because of my soft heart, I managed to forgive because I know say, God don't bless and finish. At the end of the day, what you walk on do for house? What you walk on do for house? It's better you stay there. What you walk on do for house? Say, I wish it just good now. You just buy house. You just buy house, now it just good pass. Then you just know say if you just you call meet your house when we say you buy after all the fuck up when we say una don't fuck me up. So make I still manage, make I still come buy house for that to stay. Make I buy house for that to stay. Like when it they abroad, like how not do they get good family? Like how not? Because normally I see videos like that. So if you say so many girls they run mad, I go just they wonder why person go just they cry because say you lose property, because they don't help you do something. Why people they cry? Not be when it happen to me. May own still happen to me. The money I not even see reason now. Now everybody they reject me. Make I not come back home until I buy house before I will come back home. Upon the fuck up when we say una fuck me up. Una still say until I buy because this call today not be make them not say no lie. I confess one of my girlfriend join my sister make she they hear waiting my own family they tell me because the thing really pay me. I try to bear up. I don't fit bear up. I sit down like this, my leg they shake. Like which family I get. Like how God say sometimes I didn't reason whether now those spirits born me or they pick me up from somewhere. I don't know. This will not be the right time for me to come home. First time fuck up, I forgive. Second one again. Second one again. Third one again. Who say me that normally go say this girl go don't do something. Nobody say God no they bless me. Yeah, when I dey, I know they suffer. God dey by my side. I don't just know why. Okay, for family to stay, for family to stand. Oh God, I don't know how una today get her. There's so many sweet videos online. Maybe say some people they post about their mom if they reach home, how everybody today embrace them. But for me, they don't chop all my money finish. I no quarrel, I no vex. I still use my own money buy tickets. So they say, I dey come so time oh. Now you dey tell me say it good make you just buy house before you come back home. I don't cry my eyes. How una say they do up? Una women say they don't vex treat. How una say beer? Because I don't tire. I don't tire. I don't tire. I don't try to do something. Those people they bring me down. Like no be your money. I say come Europe. I don't use your money come Europe. Make I come buy you house to dey stay upon all the fuck up. This life, no. This life. I don't come here to come for una to pity me or stuff like that, because I know say here so many haters they here when be say they say sorry because this is what you want. Sometimes una just want this girl make she fail, yes. Make I give una make una laugh tire, you get. So now life be this, you get. So this is life. There's time for everything. So now my own way now waiting happen to me now I see the handle. So I pray make you know happen to you, because your sweats early morning like this. Forget all these things I'm saying online, you get. Early morning like this, 4:30 I don't wake up. I'll take care of my pikin that early morning. Carry and go kindergarten. Small pikin. Carry and go kindergarten. Then they go work. Come back again as a single mom. Carry my pikin from school. Come house before we even find something to eat safe. They don't dark. Then I'll come use my sweat to say, okay, make I help my family. Then sit down on top of the money. I will wake up 5 o'clock. 4:30, and then manage to send you something so that make una dey nice place, make una dey live well. Then you can stay on top of my money. Come say na my money you will continue to enjoy for your life. I don't understand some family. I don't understand. For my own, I come from worst family. Worst one. Try my own blood. My own blood fail me. Try my step one. Now this one can't even do bad. Now this one can't even do pass. Because you know say my blood sister don't fair chop. Make where that one for chop remain. Make it start from there. If you be say you they watch, because I get so many audience from Nigeria. If you be say you they watch this video in Nigeria, you there and you get most especially Europe. This will not be Dubai. When be say person go just quick come house, like 2 months later you go come house. As why be say you don't cross that river. Your brother, your siblings, any of your siblings they abroad, like Europe, yeah. Anything we be say they say make you do, try to stay here, because now you go enjoy, not be me. I was just doing those things, make they see place they stay, not be for me. my pikin no fit grow up now. You go come say na Nigeria wan come dey stay. Na only for vacation. Maybe if you don reach 18 years, you don pass 18 years, you go say okay, make you go reach in mama land, go do vacation for there, come back. Wetin my pikin wan come go dey do for that Nigeria. I was just trying to do something wey be say.
Number one reason why I think you need to buy property through agents, real estate consultant, or realtor, depending on where you are, what you understand we to be. We are impartial, which means before us to choose you, or for you to choose us as your realtor or as your agent, is because we are into business. We want to make profits, yes, but our first priority is for us to satisfy you, because we know it's not easy to get one customer. And if a customer call you and ask you, help me to buy this property, be my eye, because we want to maintain you, we'll go every length to make sure that we satisfy you. We are impartial. And one thing you need to know is this: we help you to do so many things, which is number two, which is we help you to negotiate. When you call the company directly you want to deal with, sometimes the company will not even give you the listening here, because the company believe that for you to call them directly you have the money. But as an agent, we know the real value. Some company might just hype some property, but we know the real value. If you want us to negotiate for you, or sometimes even personally, I even suggest, okay, do you have the money in bulk? If you are doing full payment at once, don't worry, let me go and negotiate for you. We'll go and we'll negotiate, which one of the things we do. And number three reasons why I think you should buy property through an agent or through a realtor is that when there's a legal issue, you can sue us, or you can even sue the company. For instance, if you have any challenge with me, because you don't know from anywhere, you can sue me. You can sue the company. Or even though I decide to run away and hide, you can trace me with a good technology. You can trace me and fish me out. But as a family member, if the family member decides to run with your money, yes, they will call family meeting and they will ask for forgiveness, and you don't have choice. You will forgive. See this lady now; she has forgive. Even with that, the family member go ahead and duped her. I would strongly recommend that you use an agent when buying property, especially in Lagos markets. Fourth reason, which is the last reason, which I think you need to use an agent, is we are transparent. Most agents, especially me, let me talk to myself now. Before I went to this, started doing this video, one of my clients called me from Germany. He said, other agents, they do this, but you are transparent. The truth is, I'm transparent. Even me, I know. And sometimes my transparency sometimes put me in trouble, but I don't mind to be transparent. And because when I'm being transparent, indirectly, I'm helping myself. That's the reality. A client called me, I want to buy a property, he saw the property, and he sent it to me that I want to buy. I told him, don't buy it until I verify the property, because for me to sell any property I sell, I make sure I verify it. Most of my clients will send property to me that they want to buy it through me, but I will tell them, I know I need money, but I will not want you to buy except I verify the property. When I verify, I will let them know, go ahead or don't go ahead. That is one thing you need to know about agents or realtors. I'm talking about myself now. When it comes to transparency, I'm top notch. I know, and that is what is helping me. And that is most of my clients. Over 80% of my clients do refer people to me, because when they test me once, they know that, okay, this person is rare to see this kind of rare agent. So that's why I recommend that don't buy property through your family member. You might think you are saving money, but you might end up shooting your leg. So the best thing to do, contact me. If you choose me as a realtor, contact me, let me assist you in buying property. Or if you have any other agents you are dealing with, no problem. But I will want to be your realtor. Give me a call, let me assist you. Thank you so much for watching to this point. My name is Dennis. So what I do, I help Nigerians in diaspora, I help Nigerians in Nigeria, I help non-Nigerians who want to invest in Lagos market. Feel free to call me, let me assist you. Once again, thank you so much. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share this video. I love you so much. Bye for now.